Okay, so now that you have uploaded the plugin, it's time to activate. So go ahead and hit activate. And then you'll be directed to the license information. So what you can do is go under your account or under your email, your order confirmation email, and you'll find the license there. Once you have grabbed your license key, copy pasted, you can enter your email address associated with the order, copy paste it in, and then go ahead and hit activate license. Now that you have activated your license, I want to walk you through the settings page so you can get up and running as quickly as possible. So first and foremost, let's talk about where this can show up. So we gave you several options of where to actually display the button that will trigger your inquiry. So the first is after a short description. So I'll show you where this looks on your sample, on our sample. So you'll see right here, it pops up. And what's great is you just click that, it pops right up there. You can do it before the add to cart. So it just moves it down a little bit. Let me refresh here. So just right there below whatever variations you have, then you can do after add to cart, which again moves it a little farther down. And then we also gave you the ability to put it in the product tab. So the first product tab is obviously right before description. And then the last product tab is right here. And you can see it's right there. And again, the same functionality where you can just pop that up. Then they can choose a topic, add their name, their email, subject, and then submit, which is great and super easy. Okay, so another piece that I'm actually really, really excited about is this short code that we gave you. So you can copy this short code and put it into your site. And what is fabulous about this is this allows anyone who submits through this form to go to the same place that all the other inquiries are going to. So again, you're managing everything in one place. You're no longer wondering if somebody got responded to or who responded or when or what was said and trying to loop in everyone in your business. It's all in one place. And again, it looks the same. You know, it's got all the basic information, which is great. And then we also gave you some optional fields. You can ask for a last name, make that visible or required, the same for the phone number. And of course, if you don't want them to be visible, that's okay too. We gave you the ability to say what the button says. And then on submit for when they successfully submit, this is what it will say, which I'll show you in here. I'll just show you right now. So I'm going to say general inquiry and Lauren, and let me go, oops, it keeps trying to autofill everything. And then let's see, what should we call this? Custom branding colors. Does this item come in other colors, or can I match it to my brand? All right, and then you hit submit. And then here's that little text I was talking about. And then what's great is we pop over to our inbox, well, my email inbox. So this is what it will say to us that says, hey, you got an inquiry. And then you can click that and it'll actually take you straight to the inquiry, which is great. Obviously, since I'm logged in, it's doing it as the user, but this is what they will see as the person who submitted it. And again, if they go to view inquiry conversation, then it will go to the conversation. And what's great is that if you go back over here and you go to all inquiries, you'll see that it actually says right here, custom branding colors, general inquiry, new message. And so you can click on this, and right here you can respond, great question, yes, we can customize. And then hit send, and then it'll pop over, and you can see that this actually changed as well. So it changed to say reply sent. And then if you go over here, you can hear my phone buzzing because I'm getting emails. It says new response to your inquiry. So it says great news, we replied. And then of course, if they click this link, they'll be taken to the conversation. And then they can say whatever they want. Awesome. I would like red, white, and blue. Then they hit submit message. And then if you go back over here to your inquiry, it's popped right there. And it will actually change right here to status to new message, letting you know that a new inquiry popped up. And what's great is if, this is considered done, let's say, all you have to do is hit edit, and then you can change it to inquiry closed. Hit save. And then if you go back to all your inquiries over here on the sidebar, you'll see that it says inquiry closed, and these say reply sent, new message. So make it really easy. But what's also awesome is you can see right up here what category, or what status rather, that they're in. So really easy for you to navigate that, and you can see when it was updated and such as well. And then the last piece we gave you is the ability to add reCAPTCHA, obviously to cut down on spam. You can just enable that, put in your site key and your secret key, and go from there. So anyway, that is a walkthrough of the settings page. I know this was a little bit longer of a tutorial, but my goal is that from start to finish, you can get this set up and ready to go in under 5 minutes. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out and submit a support ticket. The way that you do that is you go to goldenkeylabs/support. You'll see the submit a support request, fill in your information and what kind of request it is, whether it's support. Hopefully it's not a bug that you found, but if you did, gold star. I'm so excited, and let us know what it is so we can squash it. And then of course, if you recognize something that maybe we should add, or a functionality or something like that, we would love to hear your feature requests. And then as soon as you hit submit, you'll get a ticket and we will respond to it. But thank you so much for purchasing our plugin. We hope you love it as much as we do. And we'll see you out there. Thanks so much, guys.